So how are you friends? My name is Abhishek and it's very heartily welcome to my channel, that is Improve and Learn by Improvisation. Friends, I was just late for some reasons and I was not feeling well also because due to the weathers and all that, so I could not make the videos. For that I am extremely sorry for that after so many days, 3 to 4 days, after 3 to 4 days I am making the video, right? So today we shall continue with the same topic that we discussed about, right? That personal pronoun, right? So this video I will make in English and you just watch it, that what is personal pronoun, right? See this. So friends, as I talk you about the personal pronoun, you can see here it is personal pronoun. Now if I talk about the personal pronoun, then what is personal pronoun? Personal means if I cut from AL, you can see a personal. If I write here personal, if I cut it from here, if I divide the word, then this is person and this is AL. You can see it, person. So from personal, person word has come. Yes or no? Now what do you understand by person? Person could be, in grammar you know that in personal pronoun there are 3 types of personal pronoun: first person, second person and third person. So we will talk about first person, we will talk about second person and we will talk about third person. What are those? So before explaining it, I must tell you, before personal pronoun, before going about person, I must explain you what is pronoun first. We'll talk about pronoun, right? Have you seen a pronoun? So if we divide the word from here, then noun is one word, pro is one word. So noun, you know what is the name of what? Person, place, animal and things. This is noun. And if I talk about pro is called as in place. Now what is in place? But for example, there is one person who is sitting on the chair. He just wake up, he stand, and in place of what? Another person came and sat here. So that is the meaning of in place. Means he woke up and sat somebody else. Noun, woke up, pronoun, come and sat here. Did you understand? That is the thing, that noun woke up from that seat and pronoun came and sat here. So this is the thing you should understand, that if we divide the word, then noun is one word and pro is one word. It becomes pronoun. So pro means what? In place. So that is the meaning. The definition is what? Now, so what is the definition of pronoun? The definition of pronoun means it is a word which is used in place of noun. Please write it if you're watching this video, and if you're noting down, please note down in your copy or just comment in the save in a comment section that noun, it is a word which is used in place of noun. Now what is in place? That's what I was talking about, in place, right? Let me explain you. So guys, you can see here in place. In place means what? I give you the example that a person that is sitting on a chair, he just woke up and another person came and sat here. For example, if I say noun just woke up and pronoun came and sat here. So this is the meaning of in place. So for example, as I told you, if I say Ram, now you guys tell me what is Ram? Who is Ram? Ram is a noun Why it is a noun? Because it is a name of a person. See students, one thing I must tell you to everyone, those who are watching this video, you must know the thing, you just don't get by heart through this. You must understand the thing that why it is noun. If you're asking anybody something, then don't put it in a mind that somebody is saying that we should learn about it. No. If somebody is saying, you ask him or her the question, why it is this? Why it is not that? Why we can use this? Why we cannot use that? Why we are using it? In education, always ask question. This is the very fundamental thing which you should clear from everything, that we are asking questions. Why? Why it is happening this? Why it is not happening that? Why it is this? Why it is that? If you ask this type of question, then only your intelligence will work on. Means that is the beginning of the intelligence, when you ask questions. If I say it is a noun, you just said okay, it is a noun, okay, you by hearted. No, you ask me the question, you ask your teacher, you can ask me, then why it is noun? Why Ram is a noun? Why it is not pronoun? In this way, if you ask question, then only guys you may clear the concept, right? So if I am talking about Ram, then why it is noun? Because it is a name of a person. That's why it is a noun. Any doubt? Now if you will see what I told you, that Ram is a what? It is a noun. So in place, I told you in place, what we can write in place? Pronoun, that is he. Can we write he? He is a pronoun. Yes or no, students? So did you understand the concept? So let's see once more. Then what is pronoun? It is a word. I told you it is a word which is used in place of noun. That is pronoun, right? So for example, I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. These are all what? These are all pronoun, right? I means you, we. We are saying to single person also and many person also. We, plural. They is also plural. He, she, these things up to I, you, we, they, he and she, we are using for human beings. Yes or no? I, you, we, they, he and she, up to here. Up to here. We are using for human beings. Only it word is there, we are using for non-living things and plants and animals. We are using these things. Did you get my point? Now let's talk about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is what? I told you that person, that is first, second and third person. This is what? Pronoun. This is singular and this is plural. So if I talk about first person singular, first person pronoun is I, right? Same thing here will be I, because I am explaining you pronoun also, which are pronoun. So first person I singular, first person plural we. First person I means singular person, me, we, many person. Second person, if I talk about second person plural is what? You. Second person singular, you. And this is also you. You we are saying to single one person and you we are saying to many person also. If I talk about third person is what? Plural is he or she, right? Then here also singular, he and she, and here they. It could be also a singular. So guys, did you understand the concept that first person, second person singular and third person singular plural? First person singular plural I, we, plural is we. second person you, you, third person he, she, it, and they. So this is the total concept of personal pronoun, friends, right? So friends, did you understand the concept? It's very important concept, and many of the people don't know the meaning of this personal pronoun, where to use it and how to understand it, right? So you understood, I shared with you. So if you like the concept, if you like the video, then please subscribe and please press the bell icon, and don't forget, one like is important, so that my motivation will go on and you will see, you will meet me in the next video with a new concept. Till that, Jai Hind.